Alright everybody, before we get into this video, I just want to do a quick intro. So this is going to be part 2 of the Central Iowa fishing trip that I went on with Michael Hedden. In the first part of this video, I told you guys I went to Ames, Iowa with the guy who made my custom cat rod, Skunk River Recon. Make sure you check him out in the description below. But we went to a bigger lake this time, and you guys have to see how the fishing goes. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button, also hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Right there. There's not a fish in here. Something's wrong.
Yeah, there's your prime frog working there, I guess. Sure looks good coming across here.
On the frog, yeah, I just started. Let's go.
Nice fish.
Nice fish! Yeah. I haven't thrown this thing for 2 days now. Let's go. On the skunk frog, dude. Reppin' baby, let's go. Knuckles, let's go. Dude, that is sweet.
It is. Really.
Gosh. We have been working these banks so hard with this frog.
But see where he was?
He was way up in that low.
Yeah, but you actually were bringing it out about two feet from that was when he hit it. So you might have been laying there, but anyway.
Yeah.
You need the forceps. Nice.
Look at that.
Good job.
Probably a 3-pounder, easy.
Oh yeah.
Michael's hooked up. Has him tying on a new bait.
I watched him come up and eat it.
Sweet.
Good hook set, guys.
I watched him come up and eat and he swam away. I was like, hey guys, set. That was awesome.
The way you do it. Great, thank
Not
you.
as big as a frogfish, but
You want your slow-mo, or
yeah.
you just want video, or?
Yeah, just go to slow-mo.
Sweet.
Sick.
I would say that's all prime real estate. All that shade, deep water right there.
Right there. Let's go. Oh, that lettuce on him. Let's go.
I called that one, didn't I?
Oh yeah. On the Skunk River rod.
On the Skunk River rod.
Handled that fish like a beast.
That's two.
I mean, they're kind of sparse. I mean, but we're getting them. Michael's got one. He got that on a wacky rig. Got him.
Good job.
Finally. I've been trying to get one just for the sake of the multi-species. I haven't caught a perch in a while. Little perch, little multi-species action. Alright guys, my chesty just died, and I obviously just caught a fish like right when it died, so that's always cool, you know. But hey, I was just trolling the old bandito bug behind the boat, letting it sit, just relaxing, put my feet in. Got a nice little 2.5, 3 pounder with a nice belly on it. So yeah, I was pretty stoked about that. See ya, buddy. Nice 3 pounder. Peace. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go make sure you hit that like button. Also go subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. But I just ordered a new computer so that I can get some more editing done. Hopefully it'll go a lot smoother so we don't have to wait. So that you guys don't have to wait weeks upon end just for a new video from me. We're going to be getting into hunting season here now. So I'm going to be doing probably dove hunting, duck hunting, deer hunting, you name it. So a lot of stuff coming on the channel soon. I'm going to try to pump out some more videos. I know I've said that in the past, but I just need to get in a rhythm and then stick to it. But that's going to do it. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe, comment what you like. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.